Okay, let's test this out. I just uninstalled this NVIDIA app, and it went down to 41. I just restarted the computer. It was at 65 degrees Celsius when I first restarted the computer. I just installed this. I came back, and now it's back down to 40 again. So now I'm going to test out my gameplay here. I'm recording Demon Slayer Hinokami Chronicles 2. I'm going to test out the gameplay, see how it feels, and see if this confirms if it's the freaking NVIDIA app, which is something I've been suspecting ever since I installed this. I installed this, they forced it like January 1st of 2026. Right? It was like January or February. Before, I was using the normal GeForce experience. Now, see, I'm still on GeForce GTX. I don't have the new RTX because I don't even have 4K yet. I'm completely behind in terms of technology. You know, I'm an animator and everything, so it's like I'm really behind in terms of like where the technology is at right now. This computer is from like 2018, 2017, so, or 2019, one of those 3 years. But it's down to 39 now. So this is fascinating. So I uninstalled that crap. I have whatever driver. I went to a driver from a few months ago. Look at it. 38. That's what it used to be. That's what I'm saying. That's exactly what it used to be. That's what I've been talking about. This used to be the resting GPU. Now, I'm going to load up Steam and OBS. I've been testing things out. So Steam is up now. Let's see where it goes. It's still 38. Now OBS will probably make it go up, which I just see is going up now. I did change some settings, but I'll test it. Testing. About to record another video, but I'm curious after I've uninstalled the NVIDIA app how it's going to feel. And if it works, I'll do a quick report on it. See how it is. But here you go. Let's see how this works. Ever since I installed that app, I haven't liked it. But again, it could be just my graphics card is going bad too. But I uninstalled it, so let me test this gameplay out. Wow. So I'm recording on my phone right now. Check this out. Look at this number dropping. Now this is after I clean my my fans out and my graphics card. Look at that. It's going down to the 40s. Check this out. When I turn on OBS Studio, watch this. I turn on OBS Studio. Look at it. It's going up. I think this is what's been causing it to be in the 60 range. Now OBS Studio is on. So I'm going to have to figure this out. It's on. Watch it. It's going to go up. Let's see. It was just up a second ago. I was just on the game, and after I got off the game, obviously the game would make it turn this on. Obviously the game would make it go higher. But for some reason when I had OBS Studio up, this was higher. And now it's not doing it. Except for when I was recording on OBS Studio. So it used to not be that high when I was recording. And I just recently updated OBS Studio to see if that could be the reason. I need to look into this. But again, once I was on the game there, when I had the game up and I had OBS Studio up, not even recording, right? It went back up to the 60 range. It could be something on OBS Studio.